Well, today's project, I'm going to be doing some accent painting on my bar. Would you like to join me? Hi you guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. Well, a few years back, just like everybody else, I wanted to make my man cave. Of course, every man cave has a bar in it. So I was looking at pricing at some bars and I couldn't believe what they were asking for these things. Like this one, they want over $2,000 for it. And it's not even a wet bar. There's no sink or running water. Here's another one. They want over $1,200, $1,300 for that. That doesn't even include shipping. So I decided to make my own bar. So I was looking around to get some ideas. And there's a lot of beautiful bars out there, I must say. But I really wasn't into, taking a pallet apart and making a bar out of a pallet. That's just not me. So I'm pretty good with a hammer and some nails, good enough to not kill myself. So I decided, like I said, to make my own bar. And this is what I came up with. It's still a work in process, but I really enjoy the way this thing looks. I put this carving on here that I did years ago, and what I wanted to do was to touch it up and make the carving kind of, I hate to use the term, pop. So what I wanted to do is to apply some of this gold paint. You can get this at Home Depot for about $5. So this video is about me painting this carving here. It's really easy to do. So the carving can stand out because it's real beautiful. I just want to show off this carving here. After I'm done painting the carving, you can see what the bar looks like here in the end. So let's get to work. When brushing this stuff on, you're going to want a short bristle or a stiff brush. This stuff goes on like shoe polish. As you can see, it's really not that hard to put on. When doing this, put on your headsets with some good music and get into your painting chi. I love doing this because I can get into some deep thinking, and that can be dangerous. As you can see, I'm not going in really deep with the paint. All I'm doing is painting the tops of the mountains, so to speak. Trying to omit the valleys. It gives it more of a three-dimensional look. I really like how this stuff looks when you're applying it. It looks like it's aged. Doesn't look like you're just painting it on or spraying it on. Looks like it's been around for 50 years or so. Looks like it's an old antique almost. I love it. Well, what do you think? I think it looks great. As you can tell, I love the Victorian kind of style. I've always liked that look. I was in Paris a couple of summers back, and it just kind of reminds me of Paris a little bit. Here's some more shots of my bar. Of course, the big screen TV. I have a few art pieces. I love to sketch and draw, and hopefully I'll do some YouTubes on that one day. Got my Marlboro Man up there. And I have my Eiffel Tower. Here's a shot of the bar top. And of course, it's a wet bar. In the future, I'll talk about how I made this bar and what it incorporates and how I plumbed it out. The neat part about this bar is I can just disengage the pipes and move the bar wherever I want. Unlike some bars where they're built in, I have an enclosed system. Like I said, there's still a lot of stuff to do, but this is where I'm at so far. And in my opinion, if you're going to have a man cave, you got to have the craps table. Oh, and the slot machine. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!